Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Annie and I'm bringing you another unboxing. In today's unboxing we are doing a clothing box from Goodwill Bluebox, and this is the premium apparel box. Now we have unboxed the regular Goodwill clothing box, which is usually $24.99. Wasn't too happy with that, haven't ordered one since, but I said, hey, let's give this premium box a try. And for any of you that do not know, or any of you that do, just go ahead and fast forward. But I'm going to give you a description of what this box is supposed to include. It says 10 to 12 pieces of new with tags, women's and men's apparel, in mixed sizes and mixed gender, at a wholesale price. Includes a mix of tops, skirts, jeans, pants, shorts, dresses, jackets, sweaters, bottoms, and more, all containing tags. Sizing included may range from extra small to 3X, extra large, and one size fits all. Boxes may be an even mix of new tag women's and men's apparel, or primarily women's or men's. We curate from the best brands available to us that include Express, Lilly Pulitzer, Calvin Klein, Old Navy, Tommy Hilfiger, Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Levi's, Gap, Ralph Lauren, Polo, Under Armour, Nike, Boutique Label, mall brands, Target, and more. Clothing may show minor signs of wear imperfections, and then it just gives their no return or refunds accepted policy. So, now this box was $64.99, $7 flat shipping, and $4.86 for tax, for a total of $76.85. And there are supposed to be 10 to 12 pieces in here, so we'll see how many we get, and then I'll figure out what the cost of goods were. So, what do you guys consider premium brands? Let's see what they consider premium brands. Okay, I've already opened up the side because they had a lot of tape on here, and I got to be careful not to cut any of the clothing in here. Okay, of course I will give y'all a first look. Oh, and also this came from, which I think most of their boxes come from, Lake Worth, Florida. And then here is my receipt. Yep, total $76.85. Okay, now remember, these are all supposed to be new with tags. Here's a first look. So, let's see what we got first. Brooks Brothers, size medium. Polo, red and white stripe. New with tags, originally $89.50. Okay. I like how these have a mixture of men's and women's, and we'll see how many we'll get of each. Oh, dress pants, the dreaded dress pants. Maybe they will be my husband's size. These are Stafford, originally $50. There's the receipt. And they're a black pair of dress pants. They're really nice though. Let's see what size are these. 38 by 32. It'll be too short for my husband. Okay. Oh, we have something new in the, still in plastic. Koo Fandy? Never heard of that. Koo Fandy. And this is almost like it's vacuum sealed. And I'm going to open that because it has a price tag on it. Very, very carefully here. Oh, this feels like linen. Is that linen? 2 extra large. too fancy. I don't really want to. Oh well, we'll go ahead because I'm going to take a picture of it anyway. This feels like linen. Oh, sorry guys. And I want to see if it's linen or not. There we go. No price on it, just a hang tag. Let's see, let's look up in here. %30 linen, 70% viscose. But I've never heard of that before. Have you guys ever heard of that name before? It's a really nice top. I'll show you the tag one more time. Made in China. Maybe nothing or maybe something. Don't know. Do brand to me. Okay. INC, which originally $49. Calvin Klein. That's real pretty. Size large. Originally $59.50. I am liking that all of these are new with tag. Ooh. And I'm going to mess this name up. I'm telling you guys, I'm not good with this. I know what it is. I'm just not good at pronouncing it. Adrian Vittadini. Adrian Vittadini. Now these kind of remind me of, and I have heard of that before. I'll show you the tag. I know I probably butchered the last name. Sorry. Size large. These are like a turquoise pull-on pant. And it says the original value was $182. And if you guys have ever picked up the St. John pants, this is kind of what this reminds me of. The vintage St. John pants. Or the Marie Gray pants. This is kind of what it reminds me of. Those are nice. Love that color. So, and it looks like an older tag too. I wouldn't say they're, no, I wouldn't say they were vintage. I don't know, maybe, but once again, size medium. All right, we're gonna have to look and see how much they resell for. That was a good retail value on them. Okay, another pair of dress pants, and these are Dockers. Now see, I really wouldn't consider Dockers a premium brand. And some may, you know, everyone's opinion may be different. And these were originally $58. Signature khaki. Let's see what size these are. Waist 38-30. So they must have came from the same person because they were both the same size. Okay, looks like we have a pair of Adidas. New with tag, originally $45. Tapered leg. Those are nice. Okay. Ooh, this looks nice. This is Raffaella, which I think you get this at Belk's maybe Kohl's, Macy's, that type. This is really pretty. I like this. And this was originally $59. That's really pretty. What size is that? Size medium. That's really pretty. See that? All right. Couple more pieces. Ooh, something fancy, fancy. Something pretty. Originally $48. This is interesting. Okay, guys, let's see if I can get this up for you. The neckline is jeweled. See the jewel around the neckline? The pocket is jeweled. That is interesting. It feels, the material feels really cheap. It's got to be, let's see. Yep, 100% polyester. That's something different. I don't know if something pretty is a premium brand. It might be. But that is definitely different, unique. Definitely, you probably would have to hand wash that because I can just see those things coming off in the wash. Okay, next. Tommy Hilfiger. Woman's top. Originally $54. On sale for $29.99. That's a nice top though. White. It's got the Tommy stripes in the neckline. I have to check that over good for stains. I always get worried when I get white. Okay, last thing left. Let's see what this is. This looks like a dress. I think this is a boutique brand. It's a little romper. The back. Here's the back. It's kind of. All right, and this is. What did I do with it? Saltwater Luxe, designed in Los Angeles. Let's see. Originally $86, on sale for $55. I think, I'm almost positive that's a boutique brand. There's on sale for $55. Size small. All right, well, let's count how many pieces we got. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, got y'all looking at the top of my head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. All right, guys, so what did you think? I think it was a pretty good box. I don't know if I would consider all of those premium brands, but everything was new with tags. I definitely think I will be able to sell everything and make my money back on everything, plus maybe a good little profit on this box. A couple of the brands I have to look up, but I'll have to go back and figure out how much it costs for each item and do comps on them and see how much I will make off of it. But just right now, from a first, a few minutes after unboxing the box, I think I am pretty happy with it. But what did you guys think? And what do you guys consider premium brands? Would you have considered any of those premium brands, or do you think these were not premium brands? Give me your opinion in the comments below. Thanks, guys, for watching. Until next time, bye.